Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's our topic is Linux versus Windows. So Linux and Windows, these are the operating systems which are mostly used by many companies, even in laptops. Many people use this Linux and Windows. Let us get inside. Linux is the open source operating system. We'll get it from internet. Meanwhile, Windows we need to buy for it. Now, Linux is developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Meanwhile, Windows Microsoft is developed by Microsoft in 1985. In the Linux case, threat detection and solution is very fast. For example, if I download any file, the virus comes with it, and it has also maintains the patches to like antivirus. It has many things, and it will also provide the security for the operating system. Now meanwhile, in Windows, if we found any threat in the operating system, it will take 2-3 months to release the patch for it. So in Linux we will see directories and packages. Meanwhile, directories are folders in Windows and packages are softwares in Windows. And Linux has more advantage than Windows, and Linux is mostly used by companies, hackers, many other people who need to secure their data and they need to make it private. Mostly Linux is used by them. And in Windows, it is a very user friendly. Even kids, any people can easily use Windows. So it is a user friendly. If we go with commands in Linux, we will get it from internet. Even we can search the commands in internet, they are standard. But in Windows, these are the gestures. We are using graphical user interface. So in Windows also there will be CLI. CLI means command line interface. So these gestures will automatically get converted into CLI in Windows. And one thing is, Linux is mostly secure and Windows is not much secured as Linux. As I already told you, Linux is a free source. We can easily download it from internet, and Windows is expensive. You need to get it. If you observe with Windows, every even days or weeks we will get updates in our Windows system. But in Linux it will take more time to give a update. Meanwhile, it will take like a zip file. It will take all the virus patches unitely and it will eradicate the virus. And these are the flavors of the Linux: Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat Linux, CentOS, Fedora, SUSE. These are the distributions of Linux. Meanwhile, in Windows, Windows XP, Windows 98, Windows 95, Windows Vista, these are the distributions in Windows. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please help and support. Thank you so much.